In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an email campaign with Mailerlite. First, let's get your campaign started. Go ahead and log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're in, look over to the sidebar and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that, and then click the Create Campaign button. This is where every new email campaign begins, so it's a good idea to get comfortable with this area. Next, let's design your email. Mailerlite will first ask you to select your campaign type. For most newsletters and updates, you'll choose a regular campaign. If you want to test different subject lines or content, you can use an A/B split campaign. And if you're sending content from a blog or feed on a schedule, you might choose RSS. After that, you'll pick your editor, drag and drop, rich text, or custom HTML. If you're not a coder, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest. You can add content blocks like text, images, buttons, and social icons, then customize colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. You can also start from a template if you want a quicker setup, and over time, you can build your own custom templates to reuse. Once your layout is ready, add your actual email copy and visuals, making sure the main message is clear and easy to read. Now it's time to set the campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later in your dashboard. Then write the subject line your subscribers will see in their inbox. Add your sender name and sender email address so people know who the email is from, and include a short pre-header. This is the preview text that appears next to the subject line in many email clients, and it can really help increase opens. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments you want to target. This is where you can send different messages to different audiences if needed. Before you send anything, always preview and test. Use the preview and test option to see how your email will look and send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile if you can, and check links, images, and formatting. Once you're happy, click Done Editing. Review all the details one more time, then choose whether to send immediately or schedule for later. You can even use time zone-based sending so subscribers receive your email at a consistent local time.